Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you a amazing AI tool called Lovable.dev. This tool can really help you build app really fast without writing a single line of code yourself. It's like having an assistant who understands your ideas and creates the app for you. Stay with me till the end because I will show you how it's work and why it's so exciting for developer like us. So basically we are on lovable.dev. Just simple click on it and sign up with Google or emails whatsoever you want, and just click on get started. So click here and continue with Google. I'm going to log in with Google. Here you can it's sign up now. As you can see, here is the simple dashboards, and we just provide the prompt and it will build the something amazing apps or ideas whatsoever we are looking for, right? So let's try it. So I am here on lovable.dev. I type something like I want to build here. So let me type something like build build me a to do list app with login and dark mode. Just simply we are typing because I'm just showing you how lovable.dev work. So I am just keeping it very simple, so this video not become a very large. Also you can attach a Supabase from here if you want to attach a Supabase database, any attachment here, like if you want to provide any design or something, pictures, or want your app something like this. And the other option here, you can import the Figma design here, so it will create the app for you without writing a single line of code. Believe me, without writing a single line of code. And once we will like click on it, then it will start generating the code for us. So it's like generating the codes and building the app for us, and after some time it will build the app. And one another like amazing feature about the lovable.dev is like we can publish our apps as well as we can see the code, like what he write about the code, and also we can like push this code on GitHub. Okay, we provided the like a simple command and it will asking I will help you build a beautiful to-do list app. However, since you mentioned login function, I need to let you know about Lovable have a native integration with Supabase that you will need to set up a first. For any backend functionality like user authentication, login, logout, storing to-do list in database, user sessions, and data persistence, you will need to interact our Supabase integration by clicking the green Supabase button as we like talking about before. And this will enable secure user authentication and database. Once you have connected to Supabase, I can build your fantastic to-do app with beautiful modern design with proper structures. That's so here it is asking about the Supabase integration documents, where we can like check how Supabase work and integrate with Lovable UI. Here we can find like the all the documents how we can integrate Supabase in Lovable. Like here you can see why use Lovable Supabase integration, because we need a backend functionality. Then definitely we need any database to attach our app. So Lovable.dev supports Supabase, and we can build any full stack application. So for now I have like already Supabase database in which my current project is working. That's why I'm not connecting the Supabase. So I will tell him just build a simple app. Create only the design for me. So I'm just giving this prompt like just build a simple app, not like login functionality, so that it's not provide any of the backend functionality, because I can't connect my Supabase on this account, because my some real project is working. And on Supabase free trial we can only create two projects, and I already created these two. So it will not allow me to create another project on the Supabase. So we are going to simple. And also if we need to edit, so simple we can like click on edit. But firstly we just generating the app, so I will click again, and it will start to creating a app for me within a few seconds, really within a few seconds. So it's creating, so let's see how it's will build. And also it's mentioning I will create the beautiful modern to-do list app with dark mode support. This will have a clean minimalistic design inspired by the best task management apps. So it is like telling us about where it is, what it will like create for us. So also it's mentioning about the design approach, like modern gradient accents and subtle shadows, clean typography with smooth animations, elegant colors, plates that work in both modes, minimalistic interface focusing on usability. These are the like design approach for lovable.dev. Also, it's like creating the like tailwind.config.txt file and all other file which needed to build this design. Once it will create it, we can see the our whole app, and then we can like connect our GitHub account and push this code there as well. I will also show you once it will generate the code. Also we can like simply publish the app here and we can send to the client. And the mm, so these are the like feature for the lovable.dev which provide excellent performance and the short time enhancement without writing a single line of code. Of course, no AI is perfect. You still need to check the code and make changes, but honestly, lovable.dat feels like the future of coding, right? So if you want to try something new that make coding faster and easier, definitely check it out. And also, if you are building a startup idea, you can create the MVP in a day. Or if you are planning to code, you can see how real apps are structured. Then definitely you can create the app on Lovable and download the code and check the code structure, how it is managing the app and the code structures. Also, if you are a freelancer, you can deliver the project more faster with Supabase, with using the Supabase, because Supabase provides some free credits mm, every day, so you can use easily the free plan as well to learning or just for small MVPs, etc. As you can see, it's generated the app for us. Here you can see it generated the app. Also you can see it's provided the dark mode for me. Here I can like write any task, for example create the DB and connect with project. So I created this simple task, and when I click on add, then you can see definitely it can add. Also we can delete this. Here we can see any active project, completed project, and also all project. So it's like providing me a quickly design. So I just give you a simple idea how we can like generate. Also we can like publish this app, and we click on it and click on the publish. It will take a few seconds, and then it will provide us this like URL preview to do bright.lovable.app. So here is the link. We can simply copy and just paste here. Here you can see I pasted the link here, and boom, it's like showing me the full app. Also you can, once you will provide the best prompt and the full prompt, then it will create the design according to your requirement or whatsoever you are looking for. Also we can attach this code with the GitHub. Once I will click on the connect GitHub, it it will ask me to give access, and once I will provide the access, then it will push this code on the GitHub. Like I am going to connect project. Here I am just providing transfer anyways. So here it's provide the link. Here you can see. So when I click on the view, it will land me on the GitHub where it's like push the code. Here you can see it's provide me the full code. Also it's provide me a really cool readme file. Here you can see, and also the project structure and all the code inside this app. Here we can see. Yeah. So this is the power of the Supabase. This is, sorry, this is the power of the Lovable.dev, where we can create our full stack application. We can create our MVP designs, and also we can create our front end design on it very quickly and very simply. Also we can get this code, and if we are developer we can customize this code and use anywhere according to the client requirement and whatsoever we are looking for. So this is very amazing tool, in which we don't need to write a single line of code, just need to provide a good prompt. It will do all the work by lovable.dev. So I will highly recommend this tool. Use this and comment below how you find this tool helpful, and how this tool help your productivity, how it's helped to make a more faster and the vibe code developer. If you are very passionate about the vibe coding developing, then definitely you can go with the lovable.dev.